Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know this lighting is super dark, but it's fine. I've waited really long for my box and it is finally here. I also created this look with the products that I got inside my box, so if you like what you see here, then keep on watching. Right, so the theme for this month is La Vie in Rose. So that being said, I'm guessing everything's gonna be in pink. Anyways, okay, so the very first product that we've got is these Moda brushes, and we received 2 of them, which I also used for today's look. Once again, I apologize for the lighting, but these are the 2 brushes. This is for like highlighting, but I used it for contour. These Moda brushes retail for $29.99. They're super soft, and I really liked them. Also, the color is so super pretty. I don't have anything pointy like this in my collection, or this fancy looking, but they're super cute. The second item that I got is this Cover Effects palette, just like this, and I received it in light medium. And these are the colors. And I do have them on my face. I used this blush, this, let me see, this highlight, this contour. I set my face with this. This is in my inner corner of my eye. So yeah. Let's see what else is next. Oh wait, sorry. That retails for $45. Next is this Wander Beauty peel off mask, and this one comes out in like rose gold with shimmer. It's like super, kind of like the packaging itself. It like super pretty. That's not the word I was looking for, but we'll go with it. This retails for $34, you guys. $34. Expensive. That's super expensive. Alright, next thing that I've got is this Appeal eyeshadow. I did use this on my eyes, on my eyelid, like right here. And this guy retails for $21, but it's so pretty, you guys. It just glided on so smooth. Just like this. You can see the brush right there. Sorry, my son is knocking on the window. I'm trying to use what little lighting I've got for the rest of the day, and hopefully you could see it. So shimmery, so pretty. Love it. Alright, last but not least, it is this Ofra lipstick that I absolutely fell in love with. It's like using a lip gloss, but without the stickiness. And it's in the color Monaco. And I do have it on my lips. I really do like this. It's so pretty, you guys. And I didn't think I was gonna like it. When I first saw it, I was like, I am not gonna like that. And this one would set you back $20 if you bought it with your own money. But it is, it comes with your box in boxycharm. I know this video is like so super awkward, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm just trying to get through it with a baby. So, maybe the next video will be a lot better. I'll try my best to insert the price that it was for the whole box all together when you would only be paying $21. So that's pretty neat. All right, you guys. So anyways, so next time, yeah, until next time. So bye.